As a student organization on Eastern's campus, you have access to EagleSync. A good way to describe EagleSync is as a portal where all students and faculty can find information about the organization on Eastern Michigan University's campus, including contact information, forms, events, news, and more. The purpose of this tutorial is to show students how to use the Explore page. When you first log on to EagleSync with your eMish credentials, you will find yourself on the Explore page of EagleSync. Going from left to right across the page, you will find the Home tab, which will take you back to this page. The Events tab will take you to a page showing all student organization events that are happening on campus throughout the year. You can look at past events to get an idea of what type of events are held. Furthermore, you can search events by specific criteria. You can search for a specific date by themes and by perks. The Organizations tab will take you to a page which lists all student organizations at EMU on it. On this page, you can search specific orgs by name, branches, and categories. You can also register a new organization here with this button. The News tab will take you to a page with all news related to student organizations on campus, sorted by the most recent. Click on the news story icon to get the full story. The Forms tab will show you all available forms to you based upon your organization's affiliations. You can find a number of forms available, such as the Anonymous Incident Report form. To fill out a form, simply click the Start button. If you begin filling out a form but do not finish, it will appear as in progress under My Submissions. Within My Submissions, you will see all the forms you have filled out. You can view, print, or delete any form. In the top right corner, you will find a circle icon. If you click on this, you will be able to find and change all of your account information. From here, you can navigate to see various aspects of your EagleSync account, such as your memberships or your form submissions. If you click your name and account at the top, you will be able to make changes to your profile. Use the search bar to search the EagleSync site if you know something specific you are searching for. These yellow boxes are important announcements for all student organizations on campus. Memberships is where you can find all of the organizations that you are a part of on Eastern's campus. If you click on one, it will take you directly to their page where you can explore the public information. Under your memberships, you will find Events. This is a shortcut to seeing what the next couple of upcoming events are. Under Events, you will find News. This is the most recent news stories posted by the organizations. Lastly, on the right-hand side, you will find links which Campus Life has determined to be important for students to use.